Hey everyone, this is one of my newer ones, just finished it. It's been curing after polyresin it in. This is Carl Eckham, a good friend of mine. ZenChaserBonsai.com made the pot. Try to get there, you could see the detail in it. Nice pot. Thank you, Carl. I'll give you a little spin around on it. Again, pot is beautiful. Tree's pretty cool too. Give you a topo. Come on, focus. There you go. This one I'm hoping to be available for the Northeast Bonsai Society when Sean Smith, a friend of mine, will be there. And Paul Maller. Thanks, Carl, for the pot. How do you think the tree turned out, brother? Thanks for looking, everyone.